Hey everyone, welcome back to day number 23 of the LEGO Harry Potter Advent Calendar. So day 23 will be some type of buildable, and tomorrow will be the spinner. A little bit unfortunate that it's killed some of the guesswork, but it is what it is. As for this buildable, it's in some type of T shape, cross shape, X shape, something of that shape. Oh, it is what? It is also a Christmas tree. Of course it's a Christmas tree. I literally filmed the Avengers Advent Calendar just before this one, and 23 was also a Christmas tree. So, there you have it. The Christmas tree for the Harry Potter set. So stick around and I will put that tree together.